Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the GLAZ RTA version 2 by Crave. The GLAZ RTA version 2 is the newest upgrade to the original. The kit comes in a sturdy cardboard box. Inside, the contents include a user manual, a spare 7ml glass tube, a spare glass chimney, a spare 10ml bubble glass tube, spare O-ring and grub screws, vape band, Allen key, and the GLAZ RTA version 2 tank body. Some improvements from the original include a metal cage frame with a non-threaded glass tube, an extra glass chimney is included, and a new deck which is compatible with the version 1. The deck was improved with a wider postless build area with 2mm terminals for larger coils, bigger air holes for airflow, and bigger juice wells. The GLAZ RTA is 510 threaded and can be disassembled into 5 main parts for cleaning. To get started, loosen the screws on the deck. Add 2 coils and tighten the screws. Test fire the coils a few times. Add the cotton wicks and tuck them securely down into the juice wells. Prime your wick with e-liquid. And recheck the connection by firing the coils a couple of times. Insert the GLAZ RTA body over the coils and tighten securely. Slide open the top fill cap and fill with e-liquid. It is recommended to only fill the tank 2/3 full on the first time to check for leaks. Once full, slide close the top cap. Attach to your favorite device and you're ready to vape. The GLAZ RTA version 2 is a solid built, well-performing tank. I'm a fan of RTAs and this is another great one. The airflow ring has 17 dual airflow slots, providing a wide range of airflow options. The 2 included glass tanks allow for a 7 to 10mm e-liquid capacity. And of course everything tastes better through glass, so the glass chimney is a nice addition. Overall, a great RTA. My only cons is that it's a bit wide at 31mm, so it doesn't fit on any of the devices that I currently own. The GLAZ RTA version 2 currently runs in the $55 range, and it comes in black, stainless steel, and gunmetal. If you'd like to pick up the kit for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.